the hardest substance in the human body, engineered to survive a lifetime of crushing force. These biological stones endure millions of impacts without shattering.
A factory that never shuts down, operating non-stop for decades.
Refined through hundreds of millions of years of evolution.
An engineering marvel hidden in plain sight.
Enamel withstands forces that would deform aircraft materials.
Strength alone is not the secret.
A living system of maintenance, defense, and hydraulic control.
At the center, a living command core keeps everything running. We're going inside the teeth factory.
Every factory begins with raw materials.
Nutrients travel through microscopic supply routes. Entry is tightly controlled.
This is the central distribution hub. Specialized workers prepare materials for construction. Processing begins instantly. Soft elements become mineral armor.
Perfect internal balance is maintained. Constant monitoring detects microscopic change.
The building blocks are complete.
Quality control channels every component forward. Hydraulic signaling warns of danger.
When damage is detected, defenses activate.
The core is protected instantly.
The foundation is secure. Shock absorption meets armor.
Strength through interlock, not glue.
Millions of rods form a woven shield.
Energy is redirected, not absorbed.
The surface is constantly reinforced. A masterpiece of biological symmetry. Built with the same architectural logic. Hardness alone isn't enough. Cut.
Force is measured instantly. Flash. Assembly complete. Gear transition. Precision down to micrometers.
Coordinated by the most complex hinge in the body.
Powered by immense biological motors.
Guide rails protect the system. Wipe. Heavy crushers handle the load.
Force travels straight down the structure.
Errors self-correct. Morph.
Continuous real-time optimization. Wipe.
Balance restored. The biological seal holds. Designed for extremes.
Thousands of cycles every day. Chemical attacks resisted. The factory often runs even during sleep. Certified functional.
Protection is applied continuously through a living biochemical shield. Direct bacterial attacks are neutralized before they reach the surface.
Self-repair is built into the system. Wipe.
Every unit is designed for a specialized task.
The system stands ready for operation.
This is the gateway to the body's energy supply. Coordination transforms raw input into usable fuel.
Distribution begins instantly.
Feedback confirms successful processing. Wipe.
Every system downstream depends on this first step.
Heavy machinery anchors the entire operation. The foundation adapts continuously to load. Shock absorption occurs at the microscopic level.
Information is integrated in real time. Flash.
Predictive reinforcement protects the core over time. Central command manages immense data flow.
Protection activates before conscious pain.
Automated protocols prevent catastrophic failure.
Sensitivity exceeds engineered sensors. Optimization never stops. Swipe.
Defense is constant at the perimeter. Contaminants are neutralized before escalation.
Emergency reserves remain on standby.
Built-in redundancy ensures continuity. Morph.
Pain is the final warning system.
When biology fails, engineering steps in.
Research aims to rebuild the factory itself.
The maintenance may soon become autonomous.
Precision without trauma defines the future.
The next generation will be stronger than ever. Massive throughput is handled every day.
A year's workload, processed flawlessly.
Decades of uninterrupted service.
Reaction time is measured in milliseconds.
Strength rivals nature's hunters. Swipe.
Designed to process food across cultures. A universal engine of survival. Health begins with effective processing. Cut.
Teeth define facial architecture.
Social impact is undeniable.
Maintenance always costs less than reconstruction. Benefits extend far beyond the mouth.
Chewing supports cognitive performance. Cut. The return on investment is immeasurable.
Lifelong performance defines success.
External maintenance remains essential. Precision cleaning prevents system failure. Reinforcement strengthens the outer barrier. Dissolve. Nature provides continuous cleaning. Chemical stability is restored.
Balance sustains longevity.
Sugar fuels structural breakdown. Simple actions prevent damage. Wipe.
Maximum output with minimal energy. Homeostasis is achieved. Every system works together seamlessly. Billions of operations across a lifetime.
No machine has matched this design.
Remember the factory behind every bite.
32 units. One system.
This is Future Gen Medical Manufacturing.
Join us for more medical engineering journeys.